Friends, may tatlong klase ng health insurance na products dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, no? And these are yung PhilHealth, yung HMO, and yung mga non-HMO health plans na typically binebenta ng mga life insurers, no? So, yung PhilHealth and yung HMO, bibigyan ka nila ng benefit before mo pang bayaran yung hospital. Okay? So, when you look at the final bill, okay, assuming nga na yung hospital is affiliated, no? Makikita mo na yung deduction ng benefit mo doon. Alright? Nga pala, no? Itong PhilHealth and HMO, these two are distinguished by its network of providers, of clinics, hospitals, and doctors, no? Yun nga yung meaning ng HMO, Health Maintenance Organization. Alright, mga friends. And itong PhilHealth and HMO are also characterized by their annual limits, mga friends, no? So, iba-ibang kumbaga benefit, meron kang maximum consumption amount per year. Okay? So, yung sobra nun that you incur, excuse me, sa bulsa nyo na manggagaling. Okay? So, I guess that also emphasizes or highlights yung importance ng, anong tawag, no? Yung emergency funds or savings. Okay? Para meron tayong mabilis mahugot na pera para mabayaran natin yung hospital kagad. Di ba? Now, doon naman tayo sa mga non-HMO na health plans, mga friends, no? So, itong mga klase ng health plan na to, they cover you by reimbursing you after you pay the hospital. Okay, mga friends? So, itong klase ng health plans na to, wala sila nung network ng healthcare providers. Okay? Kahit sinong doktor, kahit sinong hospital, they don't really care. Okay? Tapos, ito yung mga plan na to, friends, sila yung nagbibigay nung hundreds of thousands up to millions of pesos ng coverage for critical illnesses and yung mga accidents, no? Itong dalawang cases na ito, mga friends, alam naman natin gaano kamahal yung treatment nito, no? Di ba? Mahal magka-cancer, magka-stroke, okay? Ma-confine ka sa hospital dahil nasangkot kayo na very bad accident, right? So, ito yung, kumbaga, main benefit ng mga health plans na binibenta ng mga life insurers like me from AIA. Okay? Tapos, of course, alam na natin for the other providers, no? So, ganun mga friends. Kung meron kang PhilHealth and HMO, before mo pang bayaran yung hospital bill, of course, assuming na affiliated yung hospital or clinic, meron ka ng benefit nun. Okay? Tapos, after mong bayaran yung hospital bill, okay, assuming na meron pang, or parang naglabas ka from your own pocket ba, pwede ka magpa-reimburse, okay, from the life insurer, okay? Of course, assuming na yung case is covered ng plan, mga friends, no? Huwag nating kakalimutan yun. Ano ba? Mga pala, no? Ito palang HMO and mga non-HMO plans, no? You can typically buy them from agents, okay? So, kami sa AIA Philippines, binibenta namin yung Medicard na brand, okay, for HMO. Tapos yung mga iba-ibang, tawag na to, plans namin for health, no? Ayan, mga non-HMO health plans, what I mean. Alright, mga friends. So, hello, mga friends. That is how health insurance here in the country works. Of course, thank you for watching. Okay, I hope kayo ay manalearn, no? And if kayo ay interesado in a plan or interesado kayo in working with me, you can either message me, okay, if you got questions, or you can set an appointment, book a digital appointment by clicking the link in my bio. Thank you for watching, my friends, and see you on the next one.